0 o'clock. I've been reading through your comments, and I noticed one thing. A lot of creators here are frustrated. The main reason? Most AI video tools today are locked behind paywalls. And I get it if you're just starting out or testing ideas. Running into limits after 1 or 2 generations is really discouraging. 020. That's exactly why I made this video. Today, I'm going to show you 5 completely free and unlimited AI video generators. We'll test both text-to-video and image-to-video features. But here's the twist, we'll use the same prompt and the same image across all tools, so you can see a fair comparison and decide which one works best for you. 040. Before we jump in, do me a favor, hit the like button and subscribe to support the channel. I created this guide to save you time, money, and frustration. Also, drop a comment with the word super and tell me which AI tool you like the most. Now, let's dive straight into tool number 1, ChatGLM. 058. I've put all the tool links in the description below so you can check them out easily. When you first land on the ChatGLM site, it might show up in Chinese. No worries. Just right-click anywhere on the page, select Translate to English, and you're set. To get started, you'll need to sign up using a phone number for verification. 117. Instead of using your own number, head over to temporaryphonenumber.com. Pick a US number and copy it. Then go back to ChatGLM, click on Login, select the country code, paste the copied phone number, and click Get Verification Code. Head back to temporaryphonenumber.com. Refresh the page. Copy the received code, paste it into ChatGLM and hit Login. 141. Once you're in, navigate to the AI video section. Let's start by generating a video from a single prompt. I'm copying a prompt and pasting it here. By clicking on basic parameters, you'll notice some advanced options are locked behind their VIP plan, but the free version still offers plenty. 158. You can render videos in HD quality, and they even include up to 3 AI sound effects per day at no cost. Now, let's hit generate. Since we're not paid users, we'll need to wait a few minutes. For me, it took about 7 minutes to generate. In the end, the result was very impressive. Smooth animation, no awkward AI glitches, and overall a super clean look. 218. But the video does contain a watermark. You can either crop it out or watch this video where I show you how to remove watermarks easily. Here's a quick comparison with Quen AI. What do you think? Drop your thoughts in the comment section below. Now, let's try the image to video feature. Upload an image here, paste the corresponding prompt, and hit generate. 237. After waiting through the queue, here's the result. I think it followed our prompt exactly as expected. Tool number 2, Quen AI. Let's dive into our second free AI video generator, Quen AI. This tool offers unlimited video generation with no watermarks and no export limits. And the quality's surprisingly awesome for a free tool. Here's how to get started. 302. When you land on the page, the video generation feature won't even show up until you're logged in. So, hit the sign up button in the top right corner and use your Google account to create an account. Once you're in, look for the More button in the menu. That's where the video generation tool is located. So, click on it. 320. Quen AI is all about text to video. You just drop in your prompt, and the system takes care of the rest. The interface is super clean and user-friendly. For this test, I used the same prompt as earlier, because we need to see which free tool delivers the best quality. Now, let's hit generate. After waiting a few minutes, the result is ready. 341. Quen AI's outputs were a bit of a mixed bag, but still impressive for a free option. In my case, I wasn't fully satisfied because it wasn't exactly what I expected. Here are some other samples I generated. Some videos felt a little static or slow, while others captured subtle movement details quite well. 359. It didn't deliver the high energy motion I was hoping for, but the visuals were still crisp and on theme. Rendering takes about 3 minutes per video, which is pretty reasonable. And the best part? You can generate as many videos as you want. No limits, no watermarks, and no payment needed. Tool number 3, Ver. 418. Alright, let's jump into our third free AI video generator, Ver. This one stands out in the best way possible. Unlike the others, Ver focuses solely on image to video. And here's the kicker. It's completely free, unlimited, and doesn't add any watermarks to your videos. Let's break down how I used it. Head over to v.com. No login or sign up required. 440. Just click on the image to a video tool, then select generate video from image and you're in. I uploaded an image of an astronaut in space, same as before, and by clicking the icon, V's AI instantly generated a detailed description to guide the motion and style. You can tweak this description if it doesn't fit your vision, or stick with it. 5 o'clock. I pasted a custom prompt, same as before, then added camera movement. Keep in mind that's optional. And finally, hit generate. In under a minute, boom, a clean video was ready. The video looked good, but didn't fully follow the prompt we added. In the prompt, I asked for an astronaut slowly lifting their hand, but instead, the astronaut lowered their hand. 523. Here are some sample ones I tried with Ver. Ver isn't built for full-on storytelling or dialogue-heavy videos, but it's perfect for bringing static images to life with dynamic motion and mood. One heads up, Ver doesn't save your videos, so download them right after rendering or they're gone for good. If you've got a striking image and want to add some flair and motion, Ver is one of the simplest and most effective free tools out there. 546. I know some of you still haven't liked the video. Come on guys, just do it. One like from you gives us huge motivation to keep creating more. Tool number 4. Uiwin AI. Now, here's one that most people don't know about, but it's definitely worth exploring if you're willing to put in a little extra effort. It's called Quen AI 604. When you first open the site, everything will likely be in Chinese, but don't worry. Just right-click anywhere and hit Translate to English so you can navigate the layout just like we did before. Next comes the sign-up process. You'll need a phone number to register, but here's the catch. If you try choosing United States from the drop-down while the site is translated into English, it won't work. 626. The workaround is to switch the site back to Chinese first, then select the US from the drop-down. A little trial and error, but it does the job. After that, go to a temporary phone service like temporaryphonenumber.com and grab a number. Paste it into Yuan. Then click Generate Code. Head back to temporaryphonenumber.com. 645. Refresh the page. Copy the code you receive and paste it on Uiwin AI. Accept the terms and click Verify. Once you see your number appear in the corner of the screen, you're logged in. At this point, you can switch the site back to English again. Now, the fun part begins. Uiwin offers both text to video and image to video generation. 704. Let's start with text to video. I pasted the same prompt we used earlier and clicked Generate. If no one else is generating a video, yours will start right away. But if you see a notification, don't panic. Wait a few minutes and try again. Once it began, the rendering took around 10 minutes or more, which is much slower compared to the other tools we've tested so far. 724. As for the results, the quality was decent, though overall it looked a bit average. And unlike the other generations, this output didn't include the blacksmith that I specifically asked for in the prompt. Here are some other sample videos generated using the text-to-video feature. Now, let's test the Image-to-Video option on Uiwin AI. 742. I uploaded an image, added a prompt, selected one of the built-in camera movements, and clicked Generate. Again, it took much longer than the previous tools, and when it finally finished, the results looked smooth and clean, but Uiwin AI didn't fully follow the prompt. For example, I asked for the astronaut slowly lifts their hand, but instead, mainly focused on camera movement. 806. Another drawback is that free videos come with a watermark. But just like before, you can crop it out or watch the video on our channel, where I show you how to remove watermarks easily. If you don't mind a little setup hassle and slower render times, UAE is still a hidden gem. I will show you all of the generated results and reveal which tool is better and who the winner is. 828. But before that, let me show you the final tool. Tool number 5. Google AI. We've explored some amazing free tools so far, either fully free or with clever workarounds. But now, let's switch gears. The next tool isn't unlimited, but its quality is so incredible that it deserves a spot on this list. Head over to studio.google.com. 848. Signing in is super easy. Just use your Google account. Once you're in, click Generate Media on the left menu. Here you'll see options like I Imagine, Gemini Speech Generation, Gemini Image Generation, and of course, VO. Select VO from the list. You'll notice a warning that says Video Generation with VO in AI Studio has a limited free quota for testing. 911. Anyway, just type in the prompt you want to generate. I'm using the same prompt we tested earlier. For now, I'll keep everything simple and click Run. Since we're on the free plan, you may need to wait a few minutes, and then the video is generated. The result followed our prompt and delivered a high-quality video. It's honestly quite satisfying. 930. The tool also allows us to generate videos from images. So, let's try that out. I'm uploading the same astronaut image and adding a description for it. On the right side, you can adjust the number of results, aspect ratio, video duration, and even add negative prompts if needed. 948. If everything looks good, hit Run. Sometimes you'll get a notice saying the system is busy or the generation volume is high. Don't worry, just keep retrying, and your video will eventually go through. And the results, they're fantastic. Smooth animations, cinematic visuals, rich detail, And best of all, no watermark. Honestly, it feels like something straight out of a professional studio. 10/10. The only downside, this isn't unlimited. You get a taste for free. But if you want to generate a lot of videos, you'll need to upgrade to a premium plan. 950. Now let's wrap this up with a side-by-side comparison of all 5 free AI video generators. Starting with the text-to-video results, you'll notice that each tool has strengths. But in my opinion, Google AI Studio's Veo 2 completely stood out with cinematic quality and smooth animations. 1015. For image to video, the results were closer. Some tools relied heavily on camera movements, while others matched the prompts more accurately. Honestly, this one's too close to call, so I'd love to hear your thoughts. Which tool impressed you the most? Comment below and let me know your winner. 1040. I hope this video helped you discover the best free AI video generators of 2025. If you'd like me to test premium AI tools and reveal which ones are actually worth paying for, just comment part 2, and I'll make it happen. 11 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more AI tutorials. See you in the next video. Music.